So this is a Bailey Unicorn Cordoba, as you can see, all round. Just going to run through the operation of the Caravan. So up on the control panel here, you've got your master switch, on and off. Water pump internal tank fill at the top. And then if you want to run off the external tank, you have the pump at the bottom. Interior lights on the Caravan, on the bottom switch here, as you can see, on and off. And then your awning light that's on the outside. Coming round, underneath the seat, on this side, we should have the water tank. Underneath the seat here. As you can see, all your pipe work running around the back. So at the back of the water tank, to the side of the water tank down here, you've got the yellow drain down switch. At the moment it's currently in the drain position. When you put the switch down, you can actually fill the onboard water tank from the with the external water pump on, and it will fill this tank on board. So you come up to the control panel, just to the left of the sink. This is for your heating operation. So at the moment it's off. If I just turn it on with the on button at the bottom, it's now turned on. The menu button here will allow you to go into the options for the heating. So at the moment, as you can see, the heating is set at 23.5 degrees. All you need to do is select the temperature, is hit up and down on the minus and plus arrows. Next one down here is the water temperature, 30 and 60 degrees of water temperature. When the tank's empty on board, make sure it's turned off because it will burn the element out inside the tank. Next one down, this little electrical symbol here, is for the power supply that's coming to the Caravan. So if you've got 1 kilowatt available to you, you hit 1 kilowatt. If you've got 2 kilowatts available, you use that. Then 3, the same. Here on site we can only use 1 kilowatt, so I'll leave it set at that for now. Down the bottom here, the little gas symbol. If you want to run the Caravan on gas, all you need to do is hit the ignite button and it'll ignite up on gas. There is some more advanced features in there, which we advise reading the book. We will run through it on handover, but for the purpose of the videos it will take too long to go through. Eco microwave, very simple to use. Most of the Caravans now come fitted with these. They turn themselves off when they're not in use, so you just hit the eco button and the microwave will come back on. Below it, the cooker. I'm not going to offend anyone by telling them how to use a cooker, but below it, in the cupboard next door, sorry then, have some gas taps. On the back of the door you will actually see some symbols for what each gas tap does, and you can isolate the gas on board the Caravan to any particular appliance. This one here at the top is the oven. You can isolate the gas there to the oven, hot water system, the fridge and the barbecue point at the front of the Caravan. With the fridge, to open the doors up so you can get to the buttons. Left hand side, power button. You can see the fridge comes on, light comes on. Mains power is on the plug symbol here. If you want to run the fridge on gas, you ignite it on gas. At the moment it's not going to do that, and in a moment it will start bleeping at me to tell me it's not ignited. So now we'll go back onto mains. And to run off the 12 volt supply from your car, all you need to do is hit the 12 volt supply there. As you can see again, because it's not connected to a car, it's not going to let me ignite it on gas on the 12 volt. For the freezer temperature, hit the freezer button, and then you can hit the temperature button and it will allow you to set the freezer temperature. For normal temperature, for just the fridge, you just hit the temperature button. It'll allow you to select what temperature you want the fridge at. During the winter, you're going to want to leave the door open on the fridge so it doesn't start smelling. So you just push out this little clip here and it'll allow you to keep the door open. Same with the freezer on the top as well. Underneath the beds on this side, or in this particular Caravan, it's actually got the motor mover controls, which again will be explained during handover. And then at the back of the Caravan, have the toilet system, electric flush, as you can hear, flush straight down, and underneath you have the flap to allow the waste to go down into the tank underneath. When you're using the toilet in this particular caravan, be careful of the radiator just in front of it, because the Aldi radiators do get very hot. In the back cupboard, you will always see, with the Aldi heating systems, one of these heater tanks. As you can see, all ready to go. Has got a breather pipe on top just to let out a bit of excess water if it needs to. And also your table, freestanding table, is also stored in the back here. As for the inside of the caravan, that is pretty much everything on board this one. Hope this video has been of some help. Thank you very much.